Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the SG2 smartwatch. As you can see, the pack is very simple. In the side we have here IP68 waterproof, multi-sport mode, physical motion, sports, heart rate and other things that we will see here. As you can see, immediately when you unbox it or pop up the cap, you have the watch itself with protection at the side. Also underneath we have here the cable, and we have the bands as well, because the bands are not attached with the watch. As you can see, the charger comes with this magnetic, and it's very easy just to put it up in the charger. You can see how it pulls. So that means you can just put your smartwatch in the charger and it will start to charge. The bands are pretty good, they are very flexible and good quality. The user manual also is very helpful, and it's in Chinese, but in the other side it's in English, so you can scan the codes and read all about this smartwatch here in the user manual. So let's begin with the straps. The short one goes in top. As you can see, they are with just a little clip, and the long one goes at the bottom. You just have to find these holes, and it will start to come together. The little button is to turn on and off, and as you can see, immediately it starts. We have a very good quality in the first page. Up we have brightness, we have QR code, battery. In the left we have notifications. Down we have the weather, and in the right we have here history for steps. Next we have heart rate, and we have here healthcare, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen and ECG. And we have here the menu or the sports. As you can see, we have running, we have walking, cycling, climbing, exercise, yoga, all kinds of sports. We will try this a little bit later, see how it works. We have music control as well, and we have the menu here. As you can see, we have alarm, find device, dial, and we have other things in the menu, so we have plenty of options in the SG2 smartwatch. So let's begin now with some tests. Let's go straight here. As you can see, this is the history. It saves up your data. The heart rate is the first option, so let's give it a try, see how it goes. It takes a little bit longer than other smartwatches, but honestly I like this watch pretty much. Pretty good. It goes with the theme. It's very good quality. It's all glass and the resolution is very good. So I'm honestly very impressed from this smartwatch. We have here the blood pressure. You can see all the data will be saved in the history, which makes it a very good smartwatch and functional for other sports and other activities throughout the day. So as I said, these options in the SG2 takes a little bit longer, so we have to be patient and wait for the result like this. You can see when the result comes, it shows you and it saves to the history, so you can go ahead and check them out in your app and monitor your health throughout the day. This is the blood oxygen. Let's go ahead now and see how it does. We have to wait, as I said, a few seconds to have the measurements. We have the first result here. You can see 97%, and it goes off after a few minutes or seconds. This is the ECG. Not a lot of smartwatches have this. We had one smartwatch, the S12 I think, that has ECG on it, but we have here in the smartwatch as well. So the ECG works pretty good, and it measures your heart rate in the real time. You can see going in the heart rate mode. So these was the health caring options. Let's go to the sports. This is running. As you can see, immediately when you press it, we have time at the top, seconds, steps, burn calories, we have pace, heart rate zone, and we have kilometer per hour, which is not so bad, but we could definitely have more options for the sports. So guys, this was for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting or helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.